Di ba picture?
Kulay blue!
Sunday morning. Di ba pic? Layo ka konti. Meron yan.
Ditin mo lang, ma. Sino yan? Sino yan? Uy, that's me! Spider-Man naman. Chong, patingin ng Hot Wheels. Ayun, Chong. Smile! Tingin ka dito. Hi guys, it's my own making. Oh, E! Of the Psychological Association of the Philippines.
To abide by the rules and regulations
To abide by the rules and regulations. Hi guys, so I just got home from mall and look what I bought from Pop Mart. Sa Toy Kingdom lang to, nakita ko lang siya sa Baguio and tinry ko siyang bilhin kasi bakit hindi? Tapos gusto ko makuha to, yung Freedom. Yung Freedom sana makuha ko. Kasi kung hindi, itatapon ko to. Sana yung Freedom. Momo! Matawagin mo nga si Momo. Kami ni Momo Momo Toys! Momo! Come here! Momo Toys! Let's open! Come here! Let's open it! Okay, I'm just waiting for my pamangkin kasi gusto niya rin yung makita yung i-open kong mug yun na plushie. Come. You got your candy again? Can I taste it first? Yummy. What do you want to get? The color what?
Blue.
The blue?
Yes.
You say freedom.
Freedom.
Okay, let's open it now. Okay. Ay? Okay.
Hindi namin matayungan. Nasira yung bahay na.
Oh my God! Na blue! Kulay blue! Nakuha ko! Kulay blue yung nakuha ko! Kulay blue yung nakuha namin! Ay, nagkit na muna. Kulay blue! Kulay blue! Monster! Magyu! Hi guys! We're currently watching TVL and ganito kami kalapit. Hi guys! So as you can see, I'm currently eating alone dito sa loob ng car kasi I'll drive around 6 hours. So yeah, wish me good luck. Mic up. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Hi, Sonny. Nice. Nice one. Inside. Nice one. In. All 8.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Merry Christmas!
Because I was thinking about it. If there's anyone easy to market, it wouldn't be concerned about price, preference, and
Happy birthday, Julia.
Di, wala mo na sabi-sabi ko. Sige lang, inom lang kayo. Kwenta na kwenta.
Sa loob ng pila.